Huawei has started teasing the Nova 15 Max, confirming it will be unveiled at a global launch event in Bangkok on May 7, 2026. The phone will join the rest of the Nova 15 lineup, which already includes the standard, Pro, and Ultra models that debuted in China late last year. The company has already shared a few official images and some early details. The Nova 15 Max is set to pack a massive 8,500 mAh battery pack, which is unusually large even by current standards. If it performs as expected, it could easily stretch beyond a full day, possibly even two for lighter users. Huawei is also highlighting a 50MP RYYB main camera, which should help with low-light performance, along with stereo speakers. The design is very different compared to the rest of the Nova 15 series, at least from what has been shown so far. Color options have been confirmed as well. The Nova 15 Max is expected to be closely related to the Enjoy 90 Pro Max, which launched in China earlier this year. That device comes with a 6.84-inch AMOLED display, Kirin 8000 chipset, 40W charging, and basic but usable cameras. So this looks like a familiar strategy. Take an existing model, tweak it slightly, and position it for global markets under a different name. In this case, the big selling point is clearly battery life. The phone is expected to sit somewhere in the mid-range segment, aimed at users who care more about endurance and screen size than flagship-level performance.